G'day Australia, I'm Coram E from Fly on E. It was another great day today flying electric. We had a group of kids from Aquinas College in Perth, Western Australia, visiting us and flying the aircraft and going on a complete tour of the Jandakot Airport manufacturer, maintenance facilities, air traffic control facilities and pilot training facilities as a part of the Aquinas Kickstart program to help give kids some vocational insight to what's going on out there in the world and what sort of career opportunities are available, particularly in emerging technologies like electric aviation. The kids had a great time and got to fly a plane, which was officially their first lesson, so that goes in their clocked logbook time, and had a really good time learning about lots of modern design features like carbon composite technologies, maintenance on existing and legacy aircraft, as well as propulsion system design and energy storage design and charge design systems through our partners that are building chargers for aircraft worldwide. So thanks again to Aquinas for making this available to their students. The guys had a really good time. We've got more of these coming up, many more open days with the school. And if your school would like to get in on something like this and do a bit of a vocational exposure to the opportunities that are happening in transitional aviation technologies and to flight training in modern, emissions-free, lower cost, safer electric trainer aircraft, then hit us up in the comments or get on over to www.flyone.com.au and connect with us. Hit me up with a question and we'll see what we can do to help your school get involved in these amazing programs and help your students get a bit of an exposure to some amazing new technologies that are really going to revolutionize the small aviation industry sector in the coming years. Thanks for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I need your feedback. I want to know what content you'd like us to produce in the future and what you think of this content, and ask any questions you have. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again soon.